Hi, my fitness fellows. My name is Ville Isola and I'm excited to welcome you to the IFBB Nordic Academy. You may be curious about what's behind this academy and what I bring to the table. So let me tell you a little about myself. I hold a dual master's degree and I'm currently working on my PhD studies focusing on preparing and helping fitness athletes recover from competition. But my connection to fitness goes beyond the classroom. It's a personal and a big part of my life. With over a decade of coaching experience in various sports, I have had an honor of guiding Finnish and national champion medalists in fitness and other areas. From training to nutrition, my journey has been all about helping others reach their potential and achieve their best. But there's more. I also serve as a captain in the Finnish Defence Forces, spending over 10 years working to improve the physical fitness of our soldiers. This mixed background has helped me better understand physical performance at all levels. Since 2015, I have been working with the Finnish Fitness Sports Association, pushing forward the world of fitness and bodybuilding coaching. I believe in constant growth, pushing limits, and the amazing power of fitness. I'm here not just to teach, but to spark a passion, to share a vision, and walk you with this incredible journey to becoming an IFBB certified personal trainer. Together, we will explore, we will succeed, and we will change what's possible. Join me at the IFBB Nordic Academy, and let's make fitness more than a profession. Let's make it a calling.